What's poppin'?
Pull the
Brand new
you to go,
witches
boy.
hoppin'. I got options. I can pass Jimmy's mom like Stockton. Just joshin'. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports Center top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. Ooh. This shit sound like an intro jet scene. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Don't pull you fool with this shit. Don't hurt, don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a don. Anybody cheating at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she looks like she. Joke, she said, babe, this is her when I deep throat. Certified freak hoe hanging around us, and she learning my lingo. Back then was worried about me though. In the gym trying to work on my 3-throw. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. But she don't put this on the gram. The boys done this on the gram. I can't switch on the fam. Shit's on it, switch on the fan. And my hitters, I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies feel wearing obsessions. I've been discouraged from sharing my blessings. We share a connection. Now it just feels like it's weird and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that can never stare reflections. So when there's a lesson, y'all involvement's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section. There's suppression. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I keep it sitting relaxing. Did you get some traction? I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. Gonna be Simon stuff on me, and she's trying to get it unfastened. That's fucked up a distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got me on flow when I'm about to get patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I do no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new witches hopped in. I got options. I can pass Jimmy's mom like Stockton. Just joshin'. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports Center top 10. That's right. Carl Weezer's back, fellas. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment for what songs you want to
Pull the
hear
you to
next.
go, boy.
And I'll be back in the